Hi everyone, and welcome to this video about dropshipping goals. If you're running a dropshipping business, you know how important it is to stay focused and motivated in order to achieve success. One way to do this is by setting goals for your business. But what exactly are goals and why are they important in dropshipping? Well, goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound targets that you set for yourself or your business. They help you to stay focused and motivated and give you something to work towards. In the context of dropshipping, goals might include increasing sales, improving customer satisfaction, or expanding to new markets. By setting clear goals, you can stay on track and make progress towards achieving your business objectives. It's also important to set both short term and long term goals. Short term goals can help you to stay focused on the tasks at hand, while long term goals can help you to plan your future and keep an eye on the bigger picture. So, if you're running a dropshipping business, I encourage you to start setting your own goals. Whether you're just starting out or have been in the game for a while, setting goals and can help you to stay focused and motivated and achieving greater success in your business. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to subscribe and like, and I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the importance of setting goals in your dropshipping business. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon and start setting your own goals today.